Modern culture is tearing the family unit apart. Bit by bit, day by day, and it's happening with distraction, it's happening with convenience, and with constant noise. And the worst part is that most parents won't even realize that it's happening before it's too late. They'll wake up one day, look across the dinner table, and see a stranger where their child used to be. Disconnected, disinterested, glazed eyes, shallow answers. More bonded to their phone than their own family. Now that's not accidental, that's engineered. And that's why you're here today, because deep down, you've seen it and you felt it too, just like me. And that's why I wanted to make this workshop. But let me start off by saying something very clear. If you don't protect your family culture, the world will destroy it for you. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Sebastian Bates. I'm the founder of the Warrior Academy, and I'm a father of 3. I'm a martial artist with 25 years, training in 6 different disciplines around the world and competing nationally and internationally. I'm someone who's worked with over 50,000 families in the last 15 years, and I've coached kids across 7 different countries. I've seen broken homes and warrior homes. I've seen what happens when kids are raised on purpose and what happens when they're raised by TikTok. I didn't build this perspective from theory, from books. I built it on the mats, in the dojos, from working with parents just like you every week. I built it in all the micro conversations that I had with struggling parents, in the trenches with parents. So this isn't some fluffy parenting podcast. I want this to be a wake-up call because the family unit is under attack. Not metaphorically, but literally. Everywhere you look, phones, influencers, AI tools, entertainment platforms, all designed to do one thing: pull your kids away from you. Pull their time, pull their focus, pull their trust, pull their identity. And while that's happening, what are we doing as parents? What are most parents doing? We're working overtime, we're worn down, we're stressed, we're scrolling on our own screens, trying to survive the week. And I get it, it's not your fault, but it is your responsibility. We're the first generation of parents dealing with this level of digital invasion. Our parents didn't have to compete with devices. We do. We're up against billion-dollar platforms built to hijack your children's dopamine, built to teach them values that we never signed off on, built to replace us quietly. Let me tell you something that shocked me. When I started coaching martial arts, parents were bringing their kids in for discipline, for confidence, for health, for some positive structure. But in the last 4 to 5 years, I've noticed this shifting. Now they come in, and they come in saying, my son doesn't listen to me anymore. My daughter's addicted to her phone. We don't talk like we used to. I feel like I'm losing them, and I don't know how to get it back. And that broke me as a mentor, an instructor, as a parent, because these aren't bad parents. They love their kids, but the world is moving faster than they are. And it's raising their kids while they, as parents, are distracted. Now that is a silent war that we're fighting. And if you're not prepared, you will lose. It's as simple as that. So, here's what I want to do with this workshop. I want to give you a map. I want to give you a framework that works in the real world, even in today's chaos. And it's something I call the core family culture. Now, this core family culture, we're going to get into the nuts and bolts of it all soon. But first, I need you to feel what's at stake. This is so important. Because until you truly see the war you're in as a parent, as a family, you won't value the armor I'm about to hand you. This is not a soft parenting conversation. This is about leadership at home. And make no mistake, if you don't lead, someone else will. This generation is being led by YouTube creators. Ironic, I know I'm on YouTube filming this, but Netflix creators, Netflix characters, algorithmic feeds, and peer groups more confused than they are. And if that's who's shaping your child's worldview, don't be surprised when they grow up disconnected from who they really are. Let's talk reality for a minute. In an average household, the family dinner is gone. Rituals are gone. Storytelling is gone. Sitting face to face without phones, gone. Instead, families now connect through text in the same house or short bursts of attention between screen time. It's not just bad habits, it's cultural decay. Masculine leadership is largely absent, not because fathers don't care, but because they've been told their role isn't needed anymore. And that's a lie. That is a dangerous lie. Fathers, dads, watching this, your presence, your calm, your standards are absolutely essential. Not to control your kids, but to anchor them. Mums watching this, your consistency, your intuition, your strength are the glue. Together between those two roles, you are the shield for your child. But not if you as parents are distracted, not if you're disconnected, and not if you're asleep at the wheel. So, here's what I know. Families can be rebuilt, connection can be restored, and values can be cemented even in a chaotic world. But it doesn't happen by accident. You need intention, you need consistency, you need a culture in your home that's stronger than what's outside of it. And that's what the core CORE system is all about. And we're going to dive into that next. But for now, take a little moment, look around your life. Do a little bit of introspection here. Look at your habits and be honest. Look at your family rhythm and ask yourself, honestly, are you building a warrior family or are you just surviving? What I'd love you to do is to drop a comment or an emoji in the comments if this is starting to hit home for you, if you can resonate with anything I've said up until this point in the workshop. And let me know if you felt the disconnection already creeping in, if it's something you've observed, because honestly, acknowledging it is that first key step. And before we go on, if you're finding this valuable, I'd love you to hit subscribe to this channel right now. This workshop is just getting started, and every week I'm going to drop another part to this workshop. But at the same time, if you click on the first comment, the pinned comment, you'll get access to the entire workshop in full if you're ready to watch the full workshop. What's going to come next? It's the roadmap back to connection. So let's hold the line together.